asserting that Maheshwar is the biggest opponent feared by the Congress Party and BJP. The Republican Party of India, Athawale, say the two rival parties are spreading false propaganda against Maheshwar. Speaking in a press meet held at Republican Party of India, Athawale, Manipur State Unit's office in Keshampad, working president of the party, Laitonjam Haridas, urged people not to engage in fanfare in connection with the ensuing election, citing the precarious situation of the state. He questioned the negligence of BJP and Congress Party in restoring peace and normalcy in state, while Maheshwar is knocking at centre's door with a plea to resolve the 11-month-long issue. He alleged the dirty politics of the two parties is an extremely shameful practice, while the 10 Kuki MLAs are obsessed with separate administration. Haridas further questioned the stand of the remaining MLAs with regards to Manipur crisis.
Election is a festival of democracy. Adubo, Nasi, Andulita, Manipur, SKTV, Matugi festival of the war in Pantopigano, or yet when it over the borders a lal maratani. A young dynamic wariba, my sort of them higher than the Pamasa Sina. Imalevaki, the Tandulitana, we don't, Amadi Lansik, the Dova, Doma, Mate, Kunai, Yetumba, around the Pogam Mayam Singado, and Gamzapata. Prithividi mapung kaya da santok khaba dugumba viral loi ro pot mayam singa to mang mete lande haibani sing ba kaya ama santok tuna mayam da khangan khiba tawjeri thawung mayam singa sibo chijai kaya cha thokna magi maram da tana da ba amadi wori do thawung mayam chenna masi khanjil lorge di aso yam chip boy politics sana veri bija masi yam ikai ni ngai we manipuri amani haibada yam ikai ni ngai we